Hi friends, welcome once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make authentic Ghanaian sweet bad. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to need all-purpose flour and I'm going to be adding about 4 cups. Or you can use soft flour as well. So next I'm adding in here baking powder, baking soda and salt. Go ahead and give the very light stir, and after you're done, get about 2 cups of water and add your vanilla extract, pineapple flavor and your sugar. So after you're done, go ahead and stir and then leave it aside. So back to our ingredient, I'm adding nutmeg and also I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ground margarine. Go ahead and use a clean hands and mix them really well. So after you're done mixing them up, just go ahead and add your wet ingredients. So gradually keep adding water until you get that perfect consistency that you need. So I'm going to show you how it looks afterwards. This is the perfect consistency that we need. So next, just go ahead and deep fry all of them until it becomes very nice, crispy, brown, and that way you get to know that it is done. And also you can use any oil of your choice when it comes to deep frying. I usually use sunflower oil or olive oil, or you can even use coconut oil as well. So now you can tell everything looks very nice and very crispy. So yes, you can tell this actually looks really amazing. So friends, yes, this is how I make my authentic Ghanaian roadside sweet bad. So I hope you try this recipe out. Stay safe. Bye for now.